Hello students, today we will continue with chapter 9 algebraic expressions. In the previous class we discussed about polynomials. Now we all know polynomial. An expression which contains one or more terms is called a polynomial. Here a variable cannot appear in denominator, right? Then now the main thing is degree of the polynomial. Degree is the highest power of the variable in polynomial. Highest power means the power of alphabets. Okay. Now there are two cases of polynomials. First is when we have a polynomial with one variable only. Now this is an example. Here x cube minus 7x plus 2. This is a polynomial in x only. The variable is x here. And here if you see x cube and 7x, the power maximum is 3. So we can say here that degree of the polynomial is 3. So I will write here highest power of x is 3. So degree of the polynomial is 3. Okay. In the second case here, when polynomial with more than one variable we have, means let us take this example. Here 4x square y plus 3x cube y square minus 2xy cube. Now this is a polynomial in two variables here, x and y. Now when we have to count for their degree, it means we should know the power of the variables. In this first term, 4x square y, the power is x square means 2, y 1. So it means the power in this term is 3. Okay, and here in 3x cube y square, x is power 3, y is power 2. It means the total power of this term is 5. And here minus 2xy cube power is 1 plus 3, 4. So the highest power is 5 here we can see. This 5 is the highest power of this polynomial. Okay, so we will write here the highest power of variable is 5. So the degree of polynomial is 5, you can see, right? Now next is types of polynomial. Now first is linear polynomial. When do we have a linear polynomial? A polynomial with the degree 1 is known as linear polynomial. Second is quadratic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 2 is called quadratic. Now I hope you understand what is degree, the highest power. So a polynomial with highest power as 1 is a linear polynomial. When the highest power in a polynomial is 2, that is degree 2, so that is a quadratic polynomial. And third is a cubic polynomial. When the highest power is 3, means the degree is 3, it is a cubic polynomial. Now the main thing here is to find the value of an algebraic expression by substituting the value. The method of substitution here we will follow. By substituting the value of the variable, we will find the value of expression here. Okay, by replacing the variable with its numeric value, we can find the value of algebraic expression. Let us take this example to find the value of a minus 2b for a is equal to 1 and b is equal to minus 1 here. So here we will put this value of a and b in the expression. What is expression here? Expression is a minus 2b. So when we will put a as 1 and the value for b, in place of b I will put its value minus 1. So we will get here this is equal to 1 minus 2 and minus 1 is plus 2. So 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So this is the value of expression 3. Right? This way we will do the questions. Now let us start with exercise 9.2. In this exercise, the first question is write the degree of the polynomial. Now we all know degree. Degree is the highest power of variable. Now if you will see here, first part, 6xy plus 9xy square minus 2y cube plus x4. Now if you will calculate the powers here, xy, here you can see the power of this term is 2. The power of this term is 3. This term is 3. And here is x4 given. It means the highest power is 4. So, degree we will write here as 4. Alright. Then, here in this question, 7x square plus 8y square minus 6x plus 1 upon 3y. Here, these two terms to have power 1 1, but here x square y square power is 2. It means here degree will be 2. Alright. Second question is name the following expressions on the basis of number of terms and degree of the polynomial. If you remember, in the previous class we discussed about the types on the basis of number of terms. If number of term is 1, then the expression is monomial, and if we have 2, then binomial, and if number of terms are 3, then it is trinomial. Now the first part is 7x square. 7x square, we can see here only one term, so this is a monomial expression, so I will write it as monomial. And here the degree is 2. We can see 7x square degree is 2. So it means this is a quadratic polynomial. Okay, so I will write it as quadratic. Just above here we discussed all these types: linear, quadratic and cubic. Alright. Now this expression 1 upon 3x plus 2 upon 5y. Now we can see here there are two terms. So this is a binomial. Two terms means binomial expression. And here we can see degree 1 power 1 means degree 1. When degree is 1, this is a linear polynomial. I hope you are getting what I am doing. Now in fourth part, it is x square plus 5x minus 11. So 3 terms means trinomial. So this is a trinomial expression, and you can see here x square. X square means polynomial is quadratic. Degree is 2. Alright. Same way here in third question we have to classify as linear, quadratic and cubic polynomial. So I hope you understand this. 6a, 3b and c. It means all terms have power 1, degree 1. So this is a linear polynomial. Okay. And same way here it is 4x square minus 2xy plus y square. Power 2 here in this term, 2 here in 2xy and y square power 2. So degree is 2. Degree 2 means the polynomial is quadratic. Okay. And the sixth part is 7xy square. Here x power 1, y power 2. It means the total power is 3. So we can write it as power 3 means this is a cubic polynomial. So I will write it as a cubic polynomial. Now in fourth part we have to evaluate if x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to 2 and z is equal to minus 2. We have to find the value of 2xy square minus 3yz plus xz square. We have to find its value. So it means we will put the values of x, y, z in it. So 2 into minus 1 and y square is 2 square minus 3 into y. Into y means into 2. Into z means into 2. Then plus xz square. X is -1 and z is -2 square. Right? So we will have here 2 into -1 is -2 into 2 2 is the 4 minus 3 into 2 6 into -2. So this minus minus will become plus. So this will become 12 plus -1 into -2 square is 4. So this will become -4. Right? Now here we will get as -8 plus 12 minus 4. So this is equal to -12 plus 12. So because -8 and -4 is -12. So we get it as 0 as answer. Now in third part here we get x cube plus y square plus z upon 3. So x is here -1. So we will get here -1 raised to power 3 plus y square means 2 square and plus z means plus -2 on 3. So we get here equal to -1 plus 4 -2 upon 3. So -1 -2 is -3 plus 4 upon 3. So we get here 1 on 3 as answer. I hope you have understood this. Now in question number 5 we have evaluate given that a is equal to -2, b is equal to 1 and c is equal to 2. Question is -5 on 3 a square b plus 3 upon 4 a b c plus 5. So we have to put the values of a, b and c in the expression. So let us do it. This is equal to -5 upon 3. A is -2. So we will write it as -2 square. B is equal to 1. Okay. Plus 3 upon 4. A is equal to -2. B is equal to 1. And C is equal to 2. Plus 5. Right. Here this is equal to -5 on 3. -2 square is 4. Okay, -2 into -2 and 4 into 1 is 4. So we will write it as into 4 plus here we get 3 upon 4. Here same way -2 into 1 -2 and into 2 is -4 and here plus 5. So here we can cancel 4 with 4 and we get here -1 and here we get as -20. 5 4s the 20 on 3 and then here we get -3 and plus 5. Why we get here -3? Because 3 into -1 is -3. Now when we have to solve it, first we can solve the simple numbers. Here -3 plus 5 is plus 2. Now in fraction when we have to solve, you all know we will have to take LCM. So 3 is the LCM here, -20, 2 3 is the 6. -20 plus 6 is -14 upon 3 is our answer. This is our required answer. Alright. Now fourth part is C square. C square means 2 square minus B means 1 cube plus 1 on 4. A cube means -2 cube. Alright. Now let us solve it. This is equal to 2 square is 4 minus 1 and here we get 1 on 4 and minus 2 is minus 8. So we can solve it as minus 2. So we get here 4 minus 1 and minus 2. That means 4 minus 3. So 1 is our answer. Okay, I hope you have understood this. Now, next question is find degree and like terms. If you will see this expression minus 3x cube plus 7x minus 4x4 minus x plus x cube. Now here we can see the power 3, 1, 4, 1, 3. So the maximum power is 4 here. So we will write degree is 4. Now next thing is like terms. Like terms means the terms which have the same literal coefficient. We can see 7x and this minus x. They are having the same literal coefficient xx. Same way, this x cube and this x cube. They are like terms because they have the same literal coefficient x cube. So we will write minus 3x cube and x cube. They are like. Same way, we can write 7x and minus x. Okay. Now, in part 4, we can see here x square minus 3y plus 2x square plus xy plus 4. So, here we can see the power is 2, here 1, here 2, here 2, here 2. It means their degree is 2, and here like terms are here x square and 2x square. These two are like terms only. Okay, so we will write here x square and 2x square. These are like terms. Okay, so with this we have completed this exercise 9.2, children, and I have done few parts from each question. Remaining all the parts of every question you are supposed to do on your own in your distance. Okay, thank you, children.